Today I'll be showing you how you can download and install Winrar on your PC for free. But before we do so, please do remember to subscribe to my channel. Also, drop a comment down below, like my video, and click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. So the first thing we're going to do is to open our browser. Then we're going to type in Winrar. Now I like to use Soft Sonic, so I'm going to search for Winrar Soft Sonic. Click download. Then I'm going to click download for PC. And now my app is downloading. So I click open file. As soon as the app finished download, now my file is going to be installed. Click on install. OK. And now we're done. Click on OK again. And now you will see a page pop up. Click on Winrar. And here you go. This is Winrar, guys. That was so easy. So that is how you download and install Winrar on your PC for free. And please do remember to drop a comment down below, guys. Also subscribe to my channel, like and share.